Do you often think that you are the best and expert at what you do and customers don't come to you? I'm sure you think like that, and many business owners, marketeers, and professionals think the same. Why don't they come to me? I know my stuff, I'm an expert, I've got experience, but they still don't come. So, in this video, I'm going to go through some tips and the opportunities as to how you can rectify this situation. Hello, my name is Ozair and thanks for joining in. So, being good enough isn't enough anymore. That is as simple as it gets. Because if I don't know you, I won't come to you. And this is why we need to put ourselves out there in a video like this, on a blog post, on social media, and shout from the rooftops that I'm here, I'm the best, come to me. Because if you don't do that yourself, nobody's going to do it for you. So hopefully the next few minutes, I will give you some really good tips as to how you can rectify this. So first, let's talk about the challenge. You know, customers expect excellence. That is the baseline. They don't expect anything less. They want top quality service, top quality prices, top quality, pretty much everything. So, as I said earlier on, being good enough isn't enough anymore. You've got to offer something more as to why they should come to you. And the way to do that is to build up that trust and that bond. And I give this example of Amazon time and time again in many of my videos and content as to why we always go to Amazon. They are not the cheapest. So that means people are not looking for the cheapest. All they are looking for is peace of mind and the trust. Because if they say they're going to deliver tomorrow, they will. If they say no quibble guarantee or refund or money back guarantee, they will do that. If you have any problems or the parcel is damaged or did not turn up, they will resend, they will take back faulty goods. They do it without any problems or hassle. It is seamless and effortless. This is why, and the convenience. The app is so good. You can find your product in a matter of seconds. And one click, card button, and the goods are ordered. So that is why we trust Amazon so much. So the opportunity for you, moving beyond competence. Okay, you got the baseline is there. You got to be very good at what you do. That is given. You cannot succeed if you are not good or an expert at what you do. If you are starting out new, become really good at just one thing. Don't try and do many things. So we as an agency, we just focus on Google Ads. We don't do Google, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn. We focus on one, and we are very good at what we do. And we build up trust by creating videos like this one. So videos like this one or content like this one builds a strong brand. And this takes time. It's not going to happen after uploading 5 videos. I've got over 2,200 videos on our YouTube channel. We've done that over the last 5 or 6 years consistently. Every day we are uploading multiple pieces of content to build trust. And that is what I need to do for my business. I need people to know me, like me, and trust me. The second thing is you got to be prioritizing customer experience from the website to the app or through on the phone, in person, in store, wherever you are. You got to make sure that they experience the best. Otherwise, you lose them. So you got to have that technical skill so you understand your customers' needs. Making clients feel valued is really, really important. That you look after them, you care about them. You know, in our case, there are millions of agencies out there. Why should they come to me? Because I care about their budget. I care about the hard-earned cash which they have. I'm not going to blow it away on Google and waste their money. I'm very cautious. And then when we know that they are making money, that's when we talk about scaling the campaigns and spending more so that they grow. Um, the next thing is you got to have a really compelling, unique value proposition, which is what we call the UVP. If your offer is not attractive enough, they are going to go somewhere else. They will not see the value of what you have to offer. And the next thing which you want to do is to master digital storytelling. So I'm kind of giving you a little story in this video, and that's why you stuck around with me for the last 6.5 minutes or so. So it does work, but you have got to work hard to do this. I create this content regularly, and I share my expertise, my knowledge, my know-how to build up my goodwill with somebody like yourself and become a trusted expert in my niche or field. So to wrap it up and to elevate your business, the last few things which I would like to say is like, look, you got to know your customer deeply. That is really, really important. Craft a really good offer, boost online presence. You've got to be online everywhere. You can't just do one video a month. You'll be left behind. We're uploading about 50 pieces of content every day. And if you're my competitor, there's no way in the world you'll be able to compete with me. So you got to do that and create valuable content. That is important. Make sure that you look after your customers, which I'm sure you do. You know, things like if you got happy customers, actively seek reviews from them. Ask them to go to Google Business Profile or Trustpilot or whichever platform you are using to collect reviews. Ask them to put the reviews up there. You know, go to local networking events to build up your brand. And the last thing is to always keep learning. There's always something to learn pretty much every day, no matter how much we know. So your expertise is your superpower. You know you are an expert. The rest of the world may not know. So you got to put yourself out there and be known and be seen. So thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I truly appreciate if you could give it a little thumbs up and a like. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.